If you are unable to access your Epic Games account due to missing verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you regain access without needing those codes. Step 1. Visit the Epic Games website. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your account information. Input the email address associated with your Epic Games account. Make sure to double check for any typos before submitting the request for a password reset. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Epic Games with instructions on how to reset your password. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Reset your password. Follow the link in the email to reset your password. Choose a strong, new password that you haven't used before. Make sure to save this password in a secure location. Step 5. Contact Epic Games Support. If you still cannot access your account, visit the Epic Games Support page and submit a request for further assistance. Provide as much information as possible to verify your identity. By following these steps, you should be able to recover access to your Epic Games account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Epic Games Support for help.